Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put the rear door handle on a Lexus 300 IS. This is the one I'm working on. So first you're going to want to get your door handle and this little rubber piece. Don't forget that to put it back on. Alright, I got this put on. It kind of, you gotta push it on, kind of snaps in or snaps into place. You don't want to put the door handle in. I just put tape here so I don't scratch up the paint. Yeah, so you're gonna put that part in first and hook in. You kind of got to hook it in and then it slides in this way. Yeah, so alright, so that's in. You can see it's flush. And on the inside it's a little more tricky to get to some of the stuff. Alright, so you're going to have to remove a screw here, and you're gonna have to remove these three right here, and you're gonna have to get this, you have to pull this out of the way, so because there is a bolt, or yeah, there is a bolt right behind here, or actually like around here, and from this angle you'll be able to get to it. So remove those, and I'll show you that right now. Oh yeah, I forgot this little fork right here. It goes onto here, but I couldn't get it to go on like right now and put this door in. It hits the metal right here, so that's why I put this in first, and then I'll show you guys real quick. It's kind of tricky. Okay, so I got this big screwdriver and I'm gonna push it down because it does go down, and then with my other hand I'm gonna get in here and see, you can see it move right here, so I gotta just kind of pull that fork and put it over it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I won't be able to film it, but you can see where it's at, so I just gotta kind of get it to go over that. I'll show you guys after. Alright, I got it on there, so you can see now it's on there. So once you get that on, you go remove the screwdriver. Just be careful with the paint. Alright, so you're gonna have this back plate right here. This is gonna go inside here, but it's gonna be just like that inside. It's gonna be right with the door handle, and that kind of bolts it all up. So you still want to get this in there, get the holes lined up, and put your 10 right here, so in that first right here. But I'm gonna have to put the camera down real quick to get that one started. Alright, this is what I did with the bolt. I just put some tape on it so it don't fall off. Alright, let's tighten it up. Okay, let's remove these. Okay, so you have the three here, and then you're gonna have this one and this one, and then you can push that out of the way. You just want to get to right there, so I don't know if you can see the bracket right there, and then you can see where I got to put the other 10 at. That's where that's gonna go. So do the same thing. Tape your 10 to the socket and screw it in there. All right, after you get it started by hand, just tying it up. All right, put everything back in and tying it up. There's a little cover that goes here, I forgot. And you guys have to remove this cover to get to the stuff inside there. All right, and then put this cover back on, tying it. All right, guys, here it is, installed. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully this helped somebody out. And if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you guys on the next video.